Mm, okay. So, hi all. I'm Apurva, and as we know, we are approaching to the end of this year, 2021, and we have all started thinking about our resolutions. Just give me a minute. Sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so we have all started thinking about our New Year resolutions, and today we are going to talk about: are we really ready to set New Year resolutions and things to know about it? So let's get started. Okay, so I would like to give my own example of setting a resolution some time back to read one book per week. So when I started, when I started to think about this resolution, so this was my current plan. So as usual, just thinking as a whatever we plan in our own work. So I just made the exact plan of reading one book per week, which is 52 books per year, and then again calculating the number of pages each day, just dividing by total number of pages in the book by 7, and obviously to calculate the time each day, I have multiplied it by 5 minutes approximately. So this was my plan and I was pretty happy with it. But somehow when I started maintaining my reading tracker. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, so when I started maintaining my reading tracker, so this was my week. So day one was done in the morning. Day two was done at the lunch. Day three was done after work. Day four was skipped. Like I just thought I will be covering over the weekend. Day five was partially done as I thought I had no time. Day six, it was again skipped because I had started losing motivation. And day seven was skipped forever, which was the habit was rested at peace. And I just ended up thinking, might be reading is just not for me. So why did this happen? So when we go back and when we think about, I found this reference in the book Atomic Habits. So basically, there are three steps in behavioral change, which is outcome, process, and identity. In this case, we have focused only on outcomes, where outcomes are about what you get, processes are what you do, and identity is what you believe. So we have focused only on outcomes and processes and not on the identity. Now, how do we set the identity? So there is this again two-step process to know how to set your identity. Step one is to decide the type of the person you want to be. And second, prove it to yourself with small wins. Then I decided to become, then I decided to become an avid reader. So this was the step one. And the step two had the major step of habit formation, which included four more steps of making it obvious, making it attractive, making it easy, and making it satisfying. So here are the four statements which I followed though. I will read a book at 7:30 a.m. in my garden, making it obvious. I will read aloud and highlight the important lines, making it attractive. I will keep my book, pen, and mat in the shelf, making it easy. And I will have a favorite cup of my favorite chai after reading the book, making it satisfying. I hope you had found some insights from this experience of making reading as a habit. I hope you have a great learning ahead, and I hope you make many identities ahead with the coming new year. So that's all for today. Thank you.
I really like the slide, right, Kiran? It was amazing, right? Slides. Yeah, you made it interesting only.
Actually, there was issue with that timer. It was which 5 and 9 seconds. I messed it up, so it was being delayed. I don't know what I did. I need to go back and check.
It is really
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, thank you.
I actually, in fact, I saw 2-3 posts on your Instagram when you started reading. I think you started with what to say when you talk to yourself, right?
Yeah, I started with that. Before that, I started with the power of subconscious mind. And actually, Atomic Habits, I had started in the beginning, but only with the 2 chapters. So now I'm bringing those 2 chapters here. So it's all mixing it up. Yeah.
I like that. I mean, day 1, day 2, day 3, right? That 7,
Yeah,
8 days
tracker.
of accountability. Yeah,
Yeah.
that is really, that was.
ऑफिस में यही करते हैं यार, so just bringing it up here also.
The
Yeah.
funny thing is that office में हम लोग जीरा वीरा सब use करते हैं, मतलब we could be as organized as possible. When it comes
Yeah.
to our own life, we don't want to do any जीरा.
Yeah, no Jira. It is like paper and pen. Yes.
I mean, it may feel weird because initially, when I mean, it's a few years back, right? I thought only those organizers and all those things are only for office work. I never realized we can actually implement it for our life also. It is so simple, but that idea didn't even come to my mind.
Yeah, true.
Thank you so much, Apurva.
Yeah, thank you.
You can go next. Is Rohit available to go next?
I think he will be available a little later, I guess. Rohit, you're available?
No, I'm not available actually. I'm into some personal.
Yeah,
so I'm actually listening to everyone. So I will be joining. I will be speaking around 10, if that's
Oh.
fine, right?
Yeah.
Thanks guys. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Who else can go next? If you can raise your hand if you want to go next.
I think Arsh wanted to speak, but I don't know whether he couldn't join.
Probably can we do the group activity, Kiran? So once we do the group activity, then we can.
Yes, let's do that. You want to start with the PIM's highlights? I think last week topic was pretty interesting on the focus part of it. So a couple of things Vijay covered, and as well as people can add here as well.
Sure. So who all attended last week's PM? What was your takeaways? Anyone want to share?
Who attended last week PMs? First of, can you raise your hand? Soumya attended. She's already with notes. Anyone else? No one? Karthik? Okay. Then Karthik, maybe you can share the topic, and Soumya also can add a couple of points. And if anyone wants to add on top of it, you can also add.
Yeah, definitely. So the topic was very interesting. So what is the topic? I mean, how to focus when you're not able to focus. I mean, this is again, need of the hour, right? We all lack focus, and especially when work from home started. So I still remember, even I am one of the victims. So in office, my concentration level was very high, but when it was work from home, there are like a lot of distractions. So even if there is a message, or even if there is some notification, some sound outside, I mean, there's a lot of distraction, and to get to focus, right? It was so difficult actually. When I was in office, I was thinking, oh, let me do work from home. It will be easy. But I really understood how it's difficult to focus. So I think Vijay shared some 5 important points. I think he started with what is the difference between good distraction versus bad distraction. Right? Good distraction.
Let's understand. So it's a very good point. What do you understand between good distractions versus bad distraction? Who wants to add? Shiva, do you want to add here? What do you think the difference between is good distraction versus bad distraction? Shiva, you want to add anything here? You're muted in case you're speaking.
No, Kiran, I'll think and I'll update.
What do you think? What could be good distraction, bad distraction? Examples.
It's like bad distractions means we'll be focusing here, but our mind will be in a different thinking about something what we would have been bad things would have been happened in our this one, our mind will be in that this one only. Like if you would have been quarrel with someone and you would have been focusing on some work, and your mind will be on that I have a quarrel with that person. Because last what happened to me last some in July, there was some fight between one person, and still now that distraction has not gone from my mind. Whenever I see that person in my mind that I had fought with that guy, every time it will be coming. That is like a bad distraction.
Correct. Awesome. Good. Actually, very nice example. Real example. Very good. Anything else, Shiva, comes to your mind for bad distraction? So now you're closer. So it's actually true. The bad distraction is one of the thing which you just mentioned is actually a very practical example.
Yeah.
What else?
And suppose if you want to do anything, but we'll think out that I can do, but our mind will not take into that I can do, but uh, our mind will be taking to a different this one, thinking about some other thing I can do later, like that things and all.
Procrastination.
Yeah.
So you have a tendency to procrastinate, and then you maybe uh, you start something, then you get distracted something else, you involve in social media, or you watch YouTube or whatever. So good.
Our
Anything
focus will
else?
be on one thing, but our distraction will be on another thing. Like if suppose if I'm doing some work, but if someone comes and disturb our mind will go through that way. But we'll be working here, but our mind will be there. Our ears and all will be in that direction.
Correct. Awesome. Good. Awesome, Shiva. Thank you for the examples. Anyone wants to add on the good distraction? This is very interesting, actually. Good distractions are so interesting. Hota. Bad distraction is easy to find.
Shall I add?
Yeah,
Kiran?
yeah.
I was just listening. Actually, I got curious. I could not stop myself. So the good distraction is basically something which the something you like. Let's say I think Vijay sir give example like he want to write book, right? So he's searching some article on the web, and he finds something interesting about the writing books, publishing books, or something like that. So in the same direction, he got what do we say? He got into it so deep that he forget actually what he was looking, right? So this is something good distraction for me. Let's say I'm a developer, so I find some I search some tutorial on YouTube or some solution on GitHub or Stack Overflow, and I find something more interesting there, which is not exactly what I'm looking, but it is something related to that or something that attract me, and I got into it, and then I'll spend hours on that thing, which is not fruitful, which is not getting me the result. So this is the example of good distraction, right? So right, Kiran, is it?
Yeah, absolutely. Anything which is not it's more or less practical examples. Are many. Rohit mentioned very specific examples. The profession maybe he's part of. Good distraction also could be you have a goal. Let's say you started your company, but you also got an offer of being a CTO of another good company. That's a good distraction if you get carried away. So if you're not clear about goals and you get distracted with every other opportunities, that's actually a good distraction, but the focus just goes off. And anything else, Karthik, from your side?
As you said, like everything takes that time of yours and energy as well. Even though good distractions are bad distractions, any type of subtle distractions will take your time off and energy as well to bring back the situation to the same thing.
Absolutely true, Soumya. So Karthik, if you want to add in this point, and then we'll go with how to what are the other 4 points and how to come back. So we discussed what are the good and bad distractions.
Yeah. I mean, to generalize, good distractions or something which adds value to you, a bad distraction or something which doesn't add value to you. So like I told in Robert Kiyosaki's language, very simple. So that's all, Kiran. I think other than that, some more points I have noted. So start of, I think, shall I share the screen of what the form he shared?
Yeah. Or maybe you can also mention a few points, then we can discuss on that.
I think, okay, a few more points before sharing. Uh, I think he was telling how he starts the day. So once we start the day, right? Once we before we put a foot on the ground from the bed, right? So many thoughts will come. But before your mind catches catches away your distraction, right? So what Vijay usually does is he told about his thing. So he actually starts his Kindle or any audio or education. He starts that is his P1 item, because he is a mentor, he is a coach, right? So he doesn't get out of the bed immediately. It starts the audio and then he gets out of the bed, right? And once he starts the audio, like right, he is very fast. He listens at 1.5x, 2x, 2.5x. He has gone up to 2.5x speed. So this is how he starts the day. He was sharing. I think if you want any apps, I think Kindle is one good app. And I think Vijay was sharing one more app called Storytel, Storytel, Storytel. So I think this app also is he recommended. I have just installed it, but I haven't started using it yet. So yeah, other than Kindle, this is one app he recommended to use it. And yeah, also organize your browsers, right? So as Rohit was sharing, you would have observed, right, when you're seeing some YouTube video, some related videos or any other videos pops up, right? So that will also take away your distraction, and that was one of the main reasons why the PM web recordings is not provided on YouTube anymore, because it's not a good method, he thought. So that's why he has given on this website, right? So organize your Chrome or Edge, right, accordingly, so that the pop-ups will not disturb you. That is one more thing. And one more point was, don't open social media until these two are completed, right? So you open social media only when you are tired. I mean, that's what Vijay recommended. Otherwise, you open social media when you know you can purposefully, after 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you can cut it off. Otherwise, it will go on and on, right? So yeah, these were some of the points I wanted to share.
Awesome. Great. Any other points anyone wants to add on top of it? What do you guys do for coming back? So if you're let's say distracted, what works for you to come back to your focused approach?
Breathing, breathe out. That's what he said as well.
Okay.
Like take a deep breath in, breathe out, so that you realize that what you are doing, and to focus on that.
So for Samya, this works for you. You are able to bring back yourself, even if it's
Most of
distracted.
the time, yes. And another thing he said is to concentrate, take a slots and frequent breaks. Actually, book your time as a slots of 45 minutes, say 25 minutes or something, and take constant breaks
Right.
between the tasks.
Awesome. Great. Anyone else?
Yeah, I would like to add one point here, like to bring back focus. So I think there is this app, the 30-30 rule. So there you can just feed the timings of your work timings and the break timings. And also, like, there is continuous alarms. If you put it for 8 to 9 hours, so it will prompt you like whatever time it is. So I think distraction, if there is a kind of distraction, you can come back by 10 minutes. So that kind of feature that app has, and I frequently use that app to just come back and just to again realize like what exactly am I doing. Like as Rohit said, like are we just scrolling Stack Overflow or GitHub for different solutions, or are we just looking into social media or whatever it is? So yeah, I think that could help. So
Okay.
that's it.
That's nice. That's awesome. Great. Shiva, what works for you?
Hey, Kiran, when you get distracted, or go out for some time and relax for some time. After that, you can come to normal. After that, you can focus on the particular thing what you are doing.
Okay. So this works for bad distraction.
Yeah.
What about good distraction? You won't even realize that you got distracted there.
See, yesterday also the similar situation happened. I told my boss that I want to resign. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I was in totally a dilemma, and I told I'll resign. After that, we can discuss. Finally, he told, no, Shiva, don't do that to me. This is one type of this one. In that, I'm totally confused from yesterday.
Yeah, decision making. So when you're stuck in making a decision and you're not clear what decision to take, that's again a mental, it distracts your mind until you take that decision completely. Understand it's a tough decision.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, good. All right, Karthik, anything else from your side, or we can continue?
I think he also told about stress and anxiety. So I wanted to share that picture. No,
This
sorry,
was
not.
actually,
Yeah, this was one. I think I shared other one. Yeah, I think he was sharing the difference between stress and anxiety. So anybody wants to share? What is the difference between stress and anxiety, or both same? Any guesses? Stress and anxiety.
people are both stressed and anxious right now.
Actually, I am a bit confused at this point. At that point, I did not grasp it properly. So this is an opportunity for me to learn actually.
Awesome.
So he was telling there is something called positive stress and negative stress. So probably, for example, if you have some goal, right? I mean, a lot of people don't have goals. So if you set some goal, right, you will move ahead. And if you have to set a goal such that it has to stretch you, so that will be a kind of positive stress, right? So and when it turns negative, right, something which is not in your control and you are stressed about it, that becomes anxiety. Am I correct, Kiran?
Yep. When you overthink about something which you can't control, and you're not able to stop yourself to think, because sometimes it becomes so difficult. Someone who goes through really that can really feel that it is not that easy to even to be in that person's shoes, but it becomes to that level where you are overthinking. You know also that it is not, you can't control, still you're overthinking and you're falling into the trap, and that creates a lot of stress. So stress level, anxiety level, both are higher, and that causes a huge set of performance drop.
I think this is the, I mean, you just described it through this graph actually. So
Right. Awesome. Great. Uma, do you want to share here any points from stress and anxiety? How do you handle, or in case if you ever came across in your past, how did you overcome? Anyone wants to share?
Yeah. So, Kiran, exactly, I cannot share on the points which are discussing right now. But when I was taking some therapy, there were some exercises. So those exercises were just like what we are discussing right now.
Correct. Cool. Awesome. Then we'll move next. Karthik.
yeah, sure, Kiran. So we'll go next. Yeah, Kiran, can you spotlight us?
Just a second.
Sana will go next. Yeah.
I'm speaking after a really long time, and
You generally speak, but this on a topic. This is
I am
not-
speaking after a long time. Okay. So, hello everybody. Happy Thursday and a very good evening. So you might be observing something very different in both of us today. So we are twinning. Okay. We have, Vijay has spoken about the wheel of life. So I'll just share my screen on that. Okay. So we know there are 8 different spokes and all the other spokes. All the, need and necessity of each spoke. So I'll be covering about health, which all the other 7 spokes, variations depend on this particular spoke. So, yeah. So if I ask you, you may ask it yourself, maybe it cannot be right away, or if you want, you can ping it in the chat box as well. But if you ever think of, rating ourselves between 1 to 10 on health, how much would you rate yourself? So we did the same thing. It was like a self-test for us. And I saw a lot of gaps. I was like, okay, it's time to, work on this. And I like Apurva was telling, year end is approaching and we all look to have resolutions. And the first resolution we all have is want to lose weight. And we all hit the gym and by 15th, the gym is empty. And this is something that happens with at least the 90% of the crowd. And I hope we all belong to the rest of the 10% of the crowd. So, first step that you need to do is just sit maybe half an hour, take your time out, rate yourself with respect to health between 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. And whatever your current rating is, I'm sure if you have a 10 on 10, I'm very happy that you have that. But if, in our case, we were both at around 5, 6, although we were like following a lot of good things, we were not complete. And I was looking to see how I can fill the gap of the remaining 5 to 6. And that came in through this community. Again, I'm very grateful for that because they were driving something that led to being fit and happy. And it's not about just losing weight on one side, but also maintaining the well-being of ourselves. So since I intended to fulfill the gap, I connected with WTB, that's Workout to Burnout. And we started following a holistic approach. And we all have heard this health is wealth, right? And I think I can say health is not just wealth, health is everything. Because if you're healthy, if you're happy, if you're positive, then definitely the results that the production that we end up giving in any of our tasks, maybe office work or anything outside office or someone who's running a business, I'm sure all of this leads to a better productivity. So since we started, we felt like, staying healthy is all about having boring diets and, having less food and then no cheat meals. But then to be frank, we've had a lot of cheat meals in the last 6 weeks of our journey. And for someone like Karthik, he is like totally off workouts. And I think we even told about this last week because he is not someone who enjoys it. But when he knew the priority is health, he actually started being there and he felt like, okay, it's not boring. And, it's not like a thing that is a monotonous thing. In fact, I would say office job sometimes does get monotonous, but not, being in the healthy, holistic life. And I talk about different aspects of what keeps us healthy. There are 3 aspects. I would say 3 things that is required. 1 is you're having a right food. 2nd is your right exercise. And 3rd is having you. You need to be there and you have to do all that is required to have a healthy lifestyle. Of course, healthier lifestyle also includes a lot of on our sleep, our stress, and everything, meal timing and what we eat. All of that matters. But I feel these 3 important things have changed our lives for the last 6 to 7 weeks. And since we all desire to, look, I want to start looking great after New Year. I'll start losing weight. I'll start losing my fat, all of that. But we decided to look new for the new year. And we've actually seen a lot of results. I will show you, maybe I'll talk about a couple of things. I'll just share my screen on that. Right. Okay. So it's about resolution or you're creating it. For me, I wanted to create myself a new me by Jan 1st, 2022. And to be frank, we are like 75% RB. And we have a couple of things that we follow. So I was talking about exercises. I think Kiran was talking about how do you relieve your stress or how do you really let go of that, not losing focus. For me, it's walking. For both of us, in fact, it's walking. And one second. Okay, so we have this walk buddy challenge where you have to 45 minutes in a day. So we did we started taking this challenge. We both complete about 10K steps every day, and we get featured on our page. And the next thing is having a community. So that is what matters. I mean, community workout helps us. The next one is couple workout. We get to do a lot of innovative things with our food plate. I include all the colors. I make sure that our plates are filled. I mean, it's not like I'm starving and we are starving and we are not going to eat. We eat throughout the day. We eat 6 good meals, 3 big meals, 3 small meals, and we make sure we have maintained it. And I mean, after doing all of this, we want results, right? If we don't see results, then what is the point of doing all of this? So this is Karthik's weight loss journey. He has, I mean, we were like stunned to see ourselves with the highest weight we ever saw. And our fat, our muscles, everything was different. I mean, like we looked like different people on the scale, but then it's still in progress. And we've lost about 5 kilos each. And this is my scale. And for me, I was like, because since I'm short, I was too conscious, always been in sports. And this came in like, a thing that I was not ready for. And my BMI was like a shock to me. I never hit more than 25, 26. And to come back it's not a joke. And to be frank, we even started the the community started the fat loss journey. And anybody who's willing to is always welcome to join us, although we started the journey already, but it's never too late to start. And I think we can even ping you the form link in the chat box. You may join. I mean, you may fill the form and we'll have the coaches connect to you. The best part is there is someone guiding you throughout, and you're not left like a child with no ways. So that is one thing that we wanted to. That is one thing I wanted to share. So health is wealth. So stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.
Over to you, Kiran.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Sana. In fact, I really liked the tracking you guys made of, it was October 18th, I think. And it was really, really nice to see the tracking from October 18 or 14.
October 7th to November 23rd.
November 26. And it seems to be fun. In fact, the photo which you posted was very delicious. So there's always a organic way to make the journey more fun, and still you can stay healthy. Very good, nice. Karthik, how's your experience, Karthik? Because that is more inspirational.
Yeah, it was nice, Kiran. I think we shared last week, we shared it. So this week we thought we'll track it and show it in numbers so that we'll have more belief. So yeah, even I was surprised to see those numbers coming down as and when we took it. So it was nice. Worth it.
From last week to this week, we have both, I think, dropped around 400 to 600 grams again, although we had a lot of cheat meals. Yeah.
Awesome. Great. Good. So, Karthik, I think you can go on you can pick a topic, Karthik, if you're prepared.
I'll take next week, Kiran.
Okay, so let's see if anyone is available. Nikhila is not there, no? Nikhila is not present. Soundarya will join at 10. Rohit, you're available right now?
Okay, I'll just take my call. I'll start. Okay, sorry. I will start. I will just join from the laptop. Can you give me 1 more minute? I joined
Sure,
from mobile phone, so I'll just join from laptop and I'll share my screen. Okay.
Done.
Okay. Just give me 5 minutes. Maybe we can go for the introduction.
Okay, I think we don't have new folks though, but I'll Samiksha. Samiksha, can you hear us?
Yes, Kiran. Hi
Welcome.
everyone.
How are you, Samiksha?
I'm great. आप लोग कैसे हैं सब?
सब बढ़िया.
Great.
कहाँ पे हो अभी आप? पुणे में?
Yes, I'm पुणे में ही हूँ. I just reached my home and having dinner, and I saw your text. So I just joined.
अरे वाह, so late. You're working from office.
Actually, launches is going on. I'm in real estate, and so there is a lot of work.
Okay, cool, awesome. ठीक है, Samiksha, please have your food.
Thank you.
Great. So I'll do one thing. I'll quickly share a short story which I heard just yesterday from Vishal. The story is really interesting because the story comes from Mahabharata and with Krishna and Arjun's conversations on how they go with the battle. So I'll start with few questions. Okay, how many of you have seen or read Mahabharata in early childhood? All of you, most of you, maybe in your, because we also had CBSE, we had a textbook, Mahabharata ka textbook bhi tha. Okay, do you know how many people died in the event of Mahabharata? Kitne log mare honge? Any numbers? Anyone can guess? How many people must have died in that battle of Mahabharata? Any guess? In lakhs, okay, millions. Nice. If I say the number, it'll catch your attention. So the real number is 160 crores people died in that whole event of Mahabharata. And do you know what is the population of India? Population of India itself is 139 crores. So that's the scale. And in that scale of battle of the deaths, imagine the kind of noises and the kind of the war and the war cry. How would Arjuna and Krishna would communicate? So you know, right? Arjuna was staying behind to use the weapon, and then Krishna was actually the Sarthi for Arjuna. How did they communicate in that war cry, and the noises in the battle is pretty fascinating. So what happened? Uma, what, that much population at that time? Yes, it is. even when I heard the numbers, when I saw the numbers, just astonishing. So that's what it is. So what happened is that, so Krishna, when they were in the battle, it was very difficult for Arjuna to shoot the arrows if he's not clear which direction to go and how fast to go, how slow to go. So what Krishna Bhagwan, to aapko pata hai na, itla matlab such a huge god, he is such a big image in Hindu mythology कि भाई कृष्ण भगवान का जो अवतार है इतना strong है कि हर चीज का inception comes from Krishna. And that big person, he tells to Arjuna कि अर्जुन, अगर आपको तेज जाना है, tap me with your leg 2 times, okay, on my back. 2 बार मेरे in the leg, with help of leg, tap me 2 times. If you want to go left, use again your leg, tap in the left side, and if you want to go right, then tap in the right side. Now imagine Arjuna, so Krishna Bhagwan ke samne kuch bhi nahi hai, but Krishna being a Sarathi, he doesn't allows his ego to come that Arjun will kick his back, just to make sure that battle can happen in an awesome way. So the biggest learning what it comes is, when you are a leader, right? When you're leading an organization, or when you're in a role, your position does not matter much. Irrespective of your position, how good the role can you execute? So Krishna's whole focus was to execute the role of being a Sarthi, which he could serve Arjuna to fight the battle of Mahabharata. That was the topmost priority than thinking about how big God he is, that he can actually do anything he wants. And Arjuna being respectful for that, obeying that, being collaborative with Krishna, and uses that method to win the battle. Simple learning, not a big story, but simple example creates a huge difference, because while you grow in your career or while you grow in your life, how are you placed? When your juniors are coming up, or when you see someone, let's say, who is cooking food in your home, or cooking, people are coming there. How collaborative and how helpful are you to them? Are they feeling that you're some big person, or are they feeling that you're all the same person than them? And how much ground level are you working with them? As a manager, you may delegate, but if you're a good leader, you would work and solve bug with your team. Sometimes maybe in a week you sit with your team for 1 hour and start solving bugs, and you don't have to do much. You just have to be there and give your best so that your team can perform the goal which you want, and ultimately earn the respect with time. So these are small things which I wanted to share. Servant leadership is a key thing here. So as you go higher and higher, being an attitude of having a servant and achieving that particular role is more important than the position you have in that particular endeavor. So that's what I wanted to share. I hope it had made some sense. So yep, that's about it. I'll invite Rohit.
Yeah, hi everyone. Oh, sorry, I was doing something. Okay, so I'll share my screen. Let me know when you see. Okay, so my topic was five levels of leadership by John C. Maxwell. So I have covered 3 levels. One is positional, which is basically given to you. So there are positional leaders who are given the leadership position, but they have not earned it. They have been given. This is basically a starting point for some people, but some people are below that table also. So I'll just recap what I've covered. So first, I covered positional leaders. So there are positional leaders who has been given the positions. They have not earned it, but they have to start from here, and people follow them because they have to follow, because they are their manager, they are someone elder in the family, they are their big brother or big sister, something like that. So they have some certain positions, and people have to follow. They don't want to follow. So that is positional. Second is permission. So this is kind of manager, or this is kind of leaders basically, which people follow because they want to follow. So in this category, there are lots of leaders who follows basically lots of. If I take example of real life, so there are lots of babas, lots of other manager. They see something in you or in the leader, and they want to follow you. Okay, so because they have some good relationship with you, so people follow these kind of leaders because these leaders have good relationship with their followers or with their colleagues or friends. Right? Third is called production level leadership. Basically, why people follow this kind of leader and what this kind of leadership is, because these kind of leader produce result. They create good working environment in the company, in the organization, in the home, in the any kind of industry or any kind of place. In this kind of leadership, people feel secure. They feel connected to the organization, connected to the cause, and people follow this kind of leader because this kind of leader, they do something personal to them, okay, or personal to the organization. Like this kind of leader, they have done something to the company, to the organization, to the community, right? So this kind of leader, if I take good example, so we can say a good activist, okay, let's say some women activists, or let's say some RT activists or something like that, who they have some result and they have done something for something good, some cause they have created, right? Fourth and fifth one I'll cover today. So fourth one is basically people development level of leadership. So these kind of leaders are the one who create leaders who basically replicate themselves, right? So they not only have leader 2, leader 3, or leader 1 kind of leadership quality, they have something additional. They create result. They make a good leader. They have done something for their followers, something for their something for the person who follow them. They have done personally something for them. So this kind of leadership, I'll take good example. Let's say Kiran. Let's say Kiran. I think this is my understanding. So personally, he connect each one of us. So if we have some problem or something we want to discuss, he personally take care of us. He connect to us. Let's say, okay, Rohit, you have this problem. Okay, let's talk about it. Let's get into it. Something like that. So I will say, and he is also like Vijay or Kiran. They what Kiran is doing, what Vijay is doing, basically they are creating leaders. Those leaders, they will create more leaders, right? So basically they replicate themselves. Fourth one is the highest one, which is called Pinnacle. So this is the highest level of leadership, and this cannot be achieved easily. I mean, as the book says, it says like you should have some natural talent to be on this kind of level, right? You cannot simply just practice some leadership tool and achieve that. This is really, that's why it is the highest, right? This is the pinnacle, right? You can say it is the Mount Everest of the leadership. So you not only have to work on it, you should have something inside you, something natural to be on that level, right? And people follow you because you have that quality. They say some cause in you. Let's say Mahatma Gandhi, okay? Let's say Martin Luther King Jr., right? They have some vision, they have some quality, they have some something in their mind. So that's the reason people follow them, and they have the ability to create leaders, more like type level 4 of leaders, basically people development leaders. So that is the highest one. So if you want to achieve there, so book says you need to start from the level 1, and even for some people it will be level 0 also, like they are not on the level 1 also. So you need to start and you need to climb on level 1 to level 2 to level 3. There is one catch, actually. People might not understand this. If you want to level up this level of leadership, people, if let's say you're on level 3, so some people might get confused that they can avoid being the quality of level 2 leadership. It's not the case. If you are a level 3, that means you must possess the quality of leadership level 2, that is permission level of leadership. If you don't have that, you will go down. You will go down to level 2, maybe level 1, or maybe below that. So you should continuously possess the quality of all the leadership which are below you. You continue have to work on it. You have to retain the position so that you can stay on. It's not a place basically that you have earned. It's something like you need to stay there. Something it's called, I don't know, I cannot call the name. It is basically, it's not something you have achieved now you have for your entire life. No, it's not like that. You need to stay there. You need to work every day so that you can stay at that position level. I think that's all I want to cover today. I have lots of things in my mind. So I just want to take example of from my point of view. I mean, to whom I follow the most. In my opinion, recent time, the level 5 of leadership, like level 5 of leader I have seen in my lifetime was APJ Abdul Kalam and Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. These are the two leaders whom I admire the most. Obviously, there are so many more, but these two I admire the most, and I strongly believe that they are the level 5 of leaders from whom we can learn lots of things. Thank you. Over to you, Kiran bhai.
Absolutely, bhai. Absolutely. What you said is absolutely right. In fact, the pinnacle level of leadership is level where you don't have to distinguish with the particular profession, because that influences across other professions, other departments, and every other thing as well. So you take one field and become so good and so impact you create, all other people around the globe, irrespective of your domain, they respect you for that. And in fact, I would say, I don't know how correct it is, but Narendra Modi ji is also one of them. I see that the kind of impact is creating. Every country and every person across the globe is earning the respect, and the kind of impact is creating. So that takes time. So pinnacle is something is not you maybe inbuilt it. While you follow through, maybe it takes 40 years, 50 years, we don't know actually. And it happens as a byproduct of your karmas, of your servings to the world, to the community. And people call Dhoni also as one of the leader who has impacted other areas as well. People who are not in cricket, even they get influenced by Dhoni. So that is the power of that kind of leader, that you don't have to be in a particular profession to influence. You can influence anyone. So amazing, Rohit. So that is where, in fact, one of the last talk which I did in the last year as well, I told one of the biggest dream I have is to find out one niche, to become so good at it, to become a better person in a way that at least marne se pehle kuch to, at least 10% of where if I can reach, संतुष्ट वो बोलते हैं ना कि soul satisfaction is done, that you कुछ तो किया है दुनिया में. So yeah, and that is where all this growth club, everything is a part of that big dream. And we don't know how far we'll go, but yeah, as long as we have that fuel with us, we'll keep going. So thank you so much, Rohit, for an amazing topic, and all of you can read that book. It's an amazing book. Great. So I think Karthik has something. I think we're done with today's speaker. Ash is not able to join. So we'll do a small activity. Last week we started that cash flow wala game. Karthik wants to do maybe 10 minutes. We can play for 10-15 minutes and then we'll wind up.
Kiran, anybody wants to play or shall I play?
I don't know if we can try it. People have to sign up, I guess, right? Not sure.
Oh, okay. One second. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
1 second. Anybody can anybody take control like we do in Teams?
Yeah, here we can take, I think, I don't know if this does not have.
Oh, Zoom doesn't have control feature, huh?
Generally Zoom has it, but I don't find here. Maybe you can share one link, I can join.
Is it a multiplayer?
हाँ, multiplayer है ना ये.
तो मैं भी खेल सकता हूँ क्या?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
ठीक है, let's sign up.
Okay, yeah. People can sign up quickly if they can. Karthik will share that pitchpad.com. We'll create a room, Karthik, and tell us the room name and the password.
लूडो जैसा नहीं है क्या वो, मतलब कोड बोल दो और ऐड कर दो.
Google cash flow game, then you will get a link.
You post it in the chat, no? richdad.com/classic.
Okay. Here you go. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3 people, huh?
Rohit, you and me. If
Anybody
anyone
also wants to join us, I'm creating the room.
they have to sign
I
up.
would like to join, Karthik.
Then you have to quickly sign up.
Yeah, I have signed up.
Oh, awesome. Then Karthik, you tell the room name. Growth Express. Growth E.
Yeah, Growth E, na?
Yeah.
So how do I join that?
Password is
The
1, 2, 3,
password.
4.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Karthik can see you in the screen if you've joined.
Okay, just give me a moment. Yeah.
Join.
Just give me one more minute. I'll just join.
Yeah, sure.
Which that for that classic. Okay. Okay, this is the password for me.
Apurva joined. Okay.
Sorry?
Apurva joined, no?
Yeah, Apurva has joined.
Yeah.
It is loading.
If anybody has any doubts from last week's game, we can discuss today. Some people may not be able to understand at once when we play the game.
Yeah, I think people a little old may understand, but many people didn't understand between me.
Yeah.
Okay. Where do I join, Kiran?
Group
Karthik?
E.
No, I'm on this page. Okay.
Apurva, how did you join? Can you share?
Yeah, like on that page, you will see multiple groups.
Play now आ गया क्या आपको?
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Last week also I was not able to see this one. Okay, I'll share. Okay, this is where I'm right now. Okay. Can you see? So I have signed up basically.
Signed up हो गया ना? Play now में जाओ. I think you go to richdad.com/classic.
Okay.
Class हाँ बस.
Oh.
आ गया?
Click here to continue ना?
Yeah.
एक where is the growthy? हाँ growthy room को ढूंढ लेना उसमें. Password what is it? 1 2 3 4.
1 2 3 4.
I also joined.
Growthy, okay.
1 2
3 4 ना?
Yeah, 1 2 3 4.
Done, 4 people. Good.
Yeah, I can see now.
Now
आएगा मजा वीडियो.
अब मजा आएगा.
Start, how to start?
Click when ready, no? So you're starting the.
Let's begin game. Where is begin game?
It's waiting.
Hey, begin.
Begin.
Yeah. Okay. Choose your dream. Stock market. 1 second. When you already roll the die. I'm a mechanic, is it? What was my role?
Huh? I
am a mechanic, huh?
By the way, Karthik, you can open the financial statement. Everyone can open financial statement to check what is their financial statement. Left side.
How to open?
Bottom left corner में है देखो. Bottom left corner. वो आपका खुद का financial statement.
I have 400 cash.
हाँ तो कार्तिक का दिख रहा है स्क्रीन में. You also can see
$1,000.
I am lawyer. Wow.
I am pilot. Nice.
सही है यार. रिस्टेट को पता है.
What is Apurva?
I'm not able to figure that out. How did you know like
Here,
who you are?
left side bottom.
Acha, wait, let me check.
But how come in Karthik is having more money? 670. I am 400.
I also have 400. Got a big home man. Pilot हूँ मैं. क्या कर सकता हूँ?
Oh, I am a mechanic, but I have more money, huh?
Good cash flow.
Okay.
अपूरा मिला आपको?
Income
हाँ, I'm a teacher by the way.
अरे perfect है.
He's already like the passion.
Good. मेरा total expense is $6,900 है. मतलब I have to make passive income of $6,900. Karthik, you have to make only $1,280 to become financially free.
Yeah. Where I can see my this is my expense, right? Tax
5073.
Home mortgage 300, car loan 60, credit card 60, retail payment 50. Okay. So total expenses are 1,280.
So if you make passive income of 1,280, you're financially free.
Yeah, my expense is $5,030. Oh my God.
You are staying in a city or you are a lawyer?
Suits.
Okay.
आपका कितना expense है?
मेरा 2130 है.
Ah.
I don't know how, but the salary is less. I don't know.
Okay.
My actual salary is too much. 7,500. 7,050.
So you're a lawyer, na?
Okay, let's start.
Oh.
My total income itself is 2,000. What do? I have to pay, right?
I have to take a loan, Karthik.
Loan for this one, is it?
You have to take a loan because you couldn't pay. Personal loan you're taking. Pay. Done. End.
Don't want such a vacation.
Apurva chooses the dream. Stock market for kids.
Apurva, you want to share your screen? share the screen.
No,
I'll
no,
stop.
I think that's okay. Should I? I don't know.
Yeah, you have
Give
to
me a
play,
minute.
right?
Can we multi-share क्या? I think multiple share हो सकता है ना?
Share.
Multiple participant can share.
Yeah. I think I've enabled it.
Now we can actually share. We can pin also. 4 people we can pin the screen.
Apurva, share.
Apurva, आप भी screen
Okay.
share करो.
Yeah. I'll just share the screen. Yeah.
I've also shared.
Where is Rohit? Rohit
Are others able to see all the 3 shares?
हाँ मतलब साइट गैलरी व्यू में देखना पड़ेगा क्या? ऊपर मुझे दिख रहा है, रोहित का दिखा, अब मैं आई कैन डू लाइक दिस, देन अपूर्वा का दिख रहा है, गैलरी व्यू नहीं दिख रहा.
Okay, we'll share 2 at a time, otherwise, Kiran.
Okay. पिन कर.
Okay.
अभी अपूर्वा, अच्छा ठीक है, इट्स फाइन. नो, अपूर्वा का चांस. आई जस्ट शो अपूर्वा स्क्रीन. हाँ, अपूर्वा गो आइडिया.
Okay.
Rates, cost 10, cash flow 0.
Yeah.
Buy
Shares buy करने हैं.
अरे बाप.
अरे let me.
सच सोच के करो.
हाँ मैं सोच के ही कर रही हूँ.
Yes,
Let
interest
me
rate cost
also.
was-
रुको, I'll do 5, I guess. Yes. What is this? Review your financial statement. Yeah.
किरण, अच्छा मेरा आ गया क्या?
हाँ.
Kiran, I think it is your turn.
Is my screen visible क्या?
Not yet. I'm.
Yeah, I can
Stop
see
share.
this one.
Yeah.
You
Now
have to
it's
stop
visible.
actually. अपूर्वा, आपको स्टॉप नहीं करने की जरूरत है, बस मुझे वो करना पड़ेगा.
Kiran, now I've enabled yours. I think we can see yours.
You can see mine, no? Okay. You are airline pilot, you have current saving, that means, okay. When you're ready, roll. Which deal? Small deal, big deal. Cash flow 20, cost this, trading range 5,000 to this thing. What come cash flow? Done. Next. रोहित का चांस है.
Cash flow 20, trading range. Cost.
Buy shares. How much is one share?
5,000.
5,000 is one share.
It's one share 5,000. Cash flow is 20. Trading range is 5,000. So he is getting
5,000.
dividend every month.
20 means this $20 I will get, right?
$20
Every month.
dividend. Yes.
5,000 बहुत कम है, but let's buy.
Hey. Loan
I will
लेना
take-
We can go to Uma.
But we
end कर दो.
end
End.
कर-
Done. Finish your turn. ये क्या है? A leading bank offers a special set of deposit into its किसके लिए है ये?
This is mine. I am taking turn. Certificate of deposit cost 5,000. Again, this cost is also 5,000. I'll pass. Already roll the die. For charity, donate 10% of your total income to roll 1 or 2 die over your next 3 turns. Donate $200. I'll donate, huh? I have to ask
You
my
have to
wife.
donate. Otherwise you will die.
Hey, someone only has to give us charity. We are in that.
No, just kidding.
No.
We'll donate. No.
Arey, we'll donate when we have more, yeah.
Okay, fine.
End.
Okay,
Next.
over to Apurva.
Okay. Let me share the screen again. Okay, what is it? नहीं चाहिए. Okay, again it is क्या? Okay,
कौन सा डील चाहिए आपको, छोटा है बड़ा?
small. पैसे नहीं है तो छोटा चाहिए.
Weak market rate is sagging share price for this home electronics seller.
I'll do again my favorite part.
Cash
कितना
flow
आ
is
रहा है?
zero. Okay.
Cash flow is
No.
zero. Yeah.
Yeah, but
This thing
trading
only-
range is high ना? 30 पे जाएगा तो अच्छा होगा ना? I
Trading
believe.
range is $5 to $30 है,
30
मतलब
तो अभी 10 में मिल रहा है ना?
आपको अभी 10 में मिल रहा है, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'll share my screen. दिख रहा है?
Yeah.
You are offered 35,000 for all Indian company via their own
Wow.
sell, pay off the little knowledge, give up the cash flow currently. Yeah, you have no assets. Done. Rohit.
Okay, I'll share my screen.
Hmm.
When you're ready, okay. I was not expecting this.
ऐसे ही होता है.
Operate.
So child is an asset or a liability?
Good question.
We cannot answer this one. We can answer it private, not in front of everyone.
Debatable topic.
Private topic.
Okay. I'll
Take.
roll my 6,000. Small deal cost 5,000. I'll take house for sale. Good investment potential. If you want patient positive cash flow, even the rents. What shall I do, guys?
क्या ये? Cash flow 300 है, down payment 8,000 है, cost 60 है. तुम्हारे पास पैसा ही नहीं है यार. It's a good deal actually, decent deal, but you don't even have money. And even in fact, even if you take loan, your EMI will be higher, I guess.
Down payment is 8,000. Huh? So if I have to buy, I have to take a loan, right?
Correct. If you take a loan, then loan का EMI भी देखना पड़ेगा. That EMI will be much more bigger than the cash flow.
Okay.
So it is again not a. I think I feel it is not a great deal at a time at this point of time.
Why they have given so many liabilities to me? Home mortgage, car loans, credit cards, retail.
You already took. No, that's the reality of life. They understood.
No, I have only home mortgage. I don't have others.
I think Karthik, you can skip this one because otherwise your EMI and this interest rate will be higher.
Yeah, pass.
You find some more opportunity.
Over to Apurva.
Yeah. Oh God.
Sons.
Oh, मतलब
खुद टीचर होके what's happening? क्या है ये?
Okay.
Or others able to understand like who are or watching?
Guys, if you don't understand, please ask. I don't know if they are there. Roll. Well, small deal. Cash flow. Pass 40. Pass. Done. So did anyone, if you understood, right? Why did I pass? I don't know who else is there.
I knew tennis. Oh, sorry. I could not read.
Saundarya joined. So Saundarya joined late. Saundarya, I think, is new. I don't know if she's there. Shiva or Surbi, if you're there, you can ask. So I don't know if you're seeing us playing, but anyway, I passed because it is more than the inflated stock price. So it was not worth. So it was. I think क्या बोलते हैं रोहित वो end 50 वो highest कुछ तो point बोलते हैं ना where it goes to the resistance कुछ तो there's some technical term there.
इसका share का?
Share when it goes to the all-time highest of that year or something.
All-time high. Basically, some name is there. I don't know.
ठीक है, no worries.
Police होता है. Okay.
Okay. There is only okay option.
Obviously, you can't push it back, okay?
Yes.
Apurva's turn.
Okay. It says you're offered for your units. Blah blah. You have no
नहीं है।
assets. ये दिखा हुआ है.
अपूर्व
Okay.
काट दूंगा अभी।
Yeah.
Raw language. Okay. अच्छा मेरी turn. स्मॉल में ही नहीं हो पा रहा है यार, बिग में खाना है। अच्छा ये अच्छा एक्चुअली सी
Crash in the share of the long time.
मतलब इस पैनिक ये जो कोविड के टाइम में हुआ था ना क्रैश, तभी लिया था मैंने।
इन्वेस्ट कर दो मस्त।
हाँ बस इन्वेस्ट कर दो फिर।
एसबीआई उससे डबल, बहुत सारे हो गए डबल, मींस लाइक
ये कितना लेना चाहिए? $100। Okay.
ओके, स्मॉल डील नहीं हो पाएगी। आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग, आई हैव ओनली 3800। सो स्मॉल डील के लिए 5000 चाहिए एंड बिग डील 6000। ओके, लेट्स पिक अप स्मॉल। कैश फ्लो 0।
ठीक ठाक।
Okay, let's buy. Okay. My favorite 5. Financial statement. Okay.
Good. We have 5 more minutes. उसके बाद हम लोग फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट देखेंगे।
Are you guys able to see my screen now?
Yeah.
Go for small this time. Should I buy?
What do you think?
Low interest rate, treat to substances share.
$30. I have $10.
Correct.
Shall I buy 2 or 3 shares?
But why do you want to buy?
I don't know. Everyone is buying.
This is the biggest
Peer pressure.
If you all are hearing, biggest mistake. If everyone is buying, that's not mean that you have to buy.
Yes.
Actually, that is how, in fact, if you see Harshad Mehta का जो scam वगैरह हुआ था, when you buy based on market emotions, then you get trapped. So if you see here, currently the trading range is $5 to $30. So ideally, the best buy would have been if it is close to $5. And if it has a value, but here anyway, कौन सा company दिया नहीं है, तो assuming that the company is good enough, but if you want to buy $30, it doesn't add you much value because cash flow is also 0, so you can pass. It's in the tipping point, no, that's right. Apurva.
Okay.
Market
Market panic.
ऑलरेडी खरीदा हुआ है पूरा, देखो आपका कम हो गया वो।
Yeah, $1 हो गया जो 10 का खरीदा था।
सेल भी नहीं कर सकते। Now Apurva can't even sell it because why? Apurva bought for $10. Now that same stock is in the price of $1.
Yeah, and this one is for $10 again, जो खरीदा था. So again, I will pass.
Correct.
Okay, this is something new now. Cost 30 trading range. Pass. You can pass.
You can actually sell also if you want, I think, because you bought for $10.
Yeah.
And you own 50 shares.
Yes, 1500 मिल जाएंगे.
देखा, so it's a profit. Capital equity gains. देखो उसको मिल गया पैसा मस्त.
Hey, party.
अच्छा ये मेरे पे ही है क्या? I thought it went away. Okay.
आया भाई कैश फ्लो सही. But इसका
डाउन पे
cash
नहीं
flow
है
is
मेरे
good ना?
पास.
No, it's good one I think.
अरे it's only
$100
$100 ना, और मेरे को लोन लेना पड़ेगा. I have 2910 only.
हाँ, you just think about it ना. हाँ, think about it. कितना EMI आ रहा है? Calculate करो.
Buy करो.
Down payment is 3,000, right?
Yeah.
And you're getting 100.
तो ये -100.
Check the EMI first. Well, let's buy करो. Buy करके ऑप्शन आएगा ना, उसमें वो रहेगा कि डाउन पेमेंट कितना रहेगा, और यहाँ पे लिखा देखो लोन ऑफ 1000 with a monthly
Yeah.
payment of 100. इसका मतलब आपका cash flow 0 हो गया है.
हाँ,
Mhm.
that is
So
that's a
that is
good deal.
okay. It's actually a decent deal because your
Even
net
deal,
cash
हाँ.
flow is 0.
Yeah.
So आपका loss भी नहीं है, gain भी नहीं है, but in fact you gain an asset in eventually
Asset आ जाए कुछ टाइम बाद. हाँ.
once you pay
ऐसा हो
the
गया
debt.
जैसे आपने घर खरीदा, उसके घर के रेंट पे लगाने से जो आपको EMI मिल
Correct.
रहा है, उससे पैसा मिल रहा है, उसे EMI पे कर रहा हो.
Mhm.
It's a
So
good
you
deal.
should buy it, huh? I mean, you should take it, huh? Yes.
Okay.
Don't go with us, okay?
No,
You might be-
मुझे पता है, but
putting in the track. हर्षद मेहता है हम लोग.
Okay, I'm buying it. Done. हो गया.
एक और आ गया. ये किसका है ये?
किरण का
This
है.
is yours, I guess.
Yours, Kiran.
हाँ.
मेरा है क्या?
This color is Kiran's.
अच्छा, ये देखो जो मैंने लिया था शेयर 1000. देखो मैं कितना, मैंने $1 में लिया था 10, मतलब it is 1000 times नहीं 10 times higher value. So if I sell it, I'll make good money if I really want. 10,000
Wow.
वाला बनाना सही है ना? But I'll wait. Roll. So why did I wait? Because I know the trading range goes to $40, so I'm just waiting. I'm not in a hurry. देखो $20 हो गया. This I don't have. No, this is a new share. I think this I will pass. Done.
Okay, we take last one, huh? Rohit's.
I think Rohit के बाद एक last round will take it.
Yeah.
Loss is shown.
Actually, now it is becoming more interesting. Actually,
Yeah.
अब ज़्यादा interesting.
Badri lost his job, wants to buy a 3
4 years from now, it has no income. It can be a small claim more, but
Oh, hi. You're giving it to private loan क्या?
हाँ. Cash flow goes down by 500 per month. Okay, until you collect 100,000. Okay, I'll just give my asset this market.
But is your brother-in-law?
हाँ, देखो.
जा भाई चिले.
What will you tell your brother-in-law?
I'll give him, obviously. I do I have any choice?
Emotional.
Otherwise मेरे को रात को डेली वो मतलब सुनने को
मिलेगा.
मिलेगा.
ताना.
ताना मिलेगा.
साले को हेल्प नहीं कर पाए.
मेरे भाई की तुमने मदद नहीं करी. ठीक है.
Karthik's.
Start a company. Develop interesting idea for a software program. So you start a company, produce and
Okay.
sell it. Then during startup, long as no extra pay. Cost $5,000. Cash flow 0. Down payment. Okay. I think they have given half information.
See, they knew that you are starting a company part-time. Growth Express you are making, but you don't know the future will be profitable or not. But if you take a loan, then monthly payment of 400 will be negative cash flow as of now.
I have $410.
But you don't believe software company, no? Why are you buying?
Okay.
Done.
So how to see the financial statement now?
Left side, same bottom
Left.
left. See the assets and liabilities. Actually, that is the key. If you guys see your financial statements right now, you should see what is your assets and liability, and based on that, you can know how healthy you are in finance. Assets column should be the highest.
Yeah.
Then liability should be less. Okay. And Apurva's.
It's still, I think it's still
Yeah.
taking.
No, I think it
Finish
is
your turn.
finish your turn. Yeah. Wait a minute. I'll roll the dice. Okay, you have no assets, so I don't need to read this again. Okay. Yeah.
What is Apurva's financial statement before we go to Kiran's?
हाँ. बस शेयर्स खरीदा अपूर्वा ने एक मस्त.
एक बेच भी दिया ना.
इसका शेयर ना नीचे गिर गया. Okay for you का. There is one more company, CD. This share is basically skyrocketing.
Not okay for me.
Apurva, you already are making $100 of passive income. Did you notice that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
No,
took
no,
the
not here.
suggestion
Here.
इसीलिए. I
Yeah.
was thinking, I was doing the math
हाँ,
कि कितना होगा and what all things will happen. But yes, I got the passive income. So thank
वो
you.
एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने बोला था ठीक है हमारा पैसा
हाँ.
मिल
अरे तो बिल्कुल बिल्कुल रोहित दे देंगे.
पार्टी दे देना एटलीस्ट.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल.
ओके किरण your turn.
ये तो भाई अब तो मैं उड़ाने लग गया.
ओके गॉड बड़ा आदमी.
उड़ाने लग गया भाई मैं. Let me just see. मेरे पास एक ही शेयर, इसको बेचूंगा तो कुछ मिलेगा बस. That's all. होम मोड बहुत बड़ा घर खरीदा है मैंने.
You're a
140.
pilot, right? Obviously.
कार भी पूरा खतरनाक खरीदा है भाई मैंने. BMW पता नहीं कुछ तो अच्छा ही खरीदा होगा. कार का लोन ही 15,000 है सोचो. $1 क्रेडिट कार्ड 22,000 है तो भाई फोड़ डाला मैंने इसमें.
किरण यहाँ आई थिंक यू आर गोइंग लाइक योर एक्सपेंसेस आर skyrocketing.
सारे lavish life जी रहा हूँ मैं.
Going at pilot speed.
पायलट स्पीड में जा रहा है. Okay, fine. Be careful. Done.
Oh, lunch with friend.
Nice.
Rohit, can you share?
Yeah, oh, sorry. Okay.
Rohit is coming, no, 18th.
I think I just need to figure out few more things. I'm trying. Actually, I want to come seriously. I mean, I have never met you guys in person, so I'm thinking. Okay. Done review. Okay, I think that's done, right? I had lunch with my friend here in this game, so that's
cool. Awesome. We can actually, what we can do, Karthik, is we can take all the screenshots and we can put it in the group and.
Yeah.
This is my financial statement. You guys.
आप अपना screenshot ले लो, मैं भी अपना financial statement का screenshot.
Yeah, I will also take mine.
Okay, कहाँ से पूरा नहीं आएगा? Okay, इतना ठीक.
आएगा ना क्यों नहीं?
F11.
कंट्रोल माइनस कर दो फिर देखो अगर कम होता है तो.
अच्छा छोटा करके.
हाँ कंट्रोल माइनस.
हाँ. ओके अब ठीक है. हाँ.
अब ले लो, अब पूरा आप भी ले लो, कार्तिक आप भी ले लो.
Yes.
Yeah, mine is done.
We'll submit in the group and कार्तिक क्रॉप करके डाल देंगे फिर. क्या बोलते हैं? कोलाज करके डाल देंगे.
Yeah. We'll share it in the group.
Awesome. Good.